Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vivek Vardhan Veerapaneni, consultant pulmonologist at Shwasa Hospital, Hyderabad. I would like to tell you about COVID and the mutants of COVID and also the possible third wave. Third wave, is it going to come? Maybe or may not be. So we are not gods to predict anything, but as a responsible citizen, we have to take few precautions like get yourself vaccinated and get people around you vaccinated. This is the first thing you have to do. Second, you have to wear mask. Any mask, N95 mask or a double-layered mask is fine. Third, you have to avoid social gatherings. You have to maintain physical distancing. And fourth, if you are COVID positive, please stay home. You should not go out and spread the virus to multiple people. It won't be seen, so you may be thinking that you're okay. So if you have symptoms, please isolate yourself for at least 9 days because usually virus do not replicate after 9 days and the spreading capacity also decreases. So minimum 9 days, or it's better to isolate yourself for up to at least 14 days so that you won't spread the virus to others. And you as a responsible citizen have to follow all these 4 things to prevent the third wave. Is it going to come? Yes, if you don't follow all these. Are you going to stop it? Yes, together by following all these things, we can stop the third wave. Here and there we may have few cases. And this is how you prevent mutation. Like we are seeing alpha, beta, gamma, delta, delta plus, lambda. All these variants are because we are letting the virus to multiply, to replicate, and to give more and more different strains. Viruses do make mistakes while multiplying, and there are some inclusions and exclusions which make the virus either weak or strong. If the virus is becoming weak, it's good for us. But sometimes the virus may become stronger and stronger, like Delta and Delta plus. So this is causing more and more pandemics, like the second wave has been caused in India by the Delta variant. And that Delta variant has spread to more than 90 countries now, and it's causing a lot of cases, a lot of deaths. So there is a lot of chaos going world over because of the Delta variant. And the Delta plus again is very dangerous. It has a few more dangerous qualities compared to Delta. It can spread faster. It can affect your immune system more strongly, so that making it weak and causing dangerous consequences. And it can make the vaccine be less effective. And also it can decrease the efficacy of monoclonal antibodies that we have for treatment of COVID. And maybe we don't know what dangers it can pose to other health conditions. So as a responsible citizen, again I'm repeating myself, because we all should unite together and fight against this COVID, and to prevent the third wave and also to prevent the further frequent or other waves. So for this, all of us should get vaccinated. There are a lot of doubts around vaccines. There is a video right below. You can see this video about vaccination, and you can increase your awareness around that. And share this video, spread awareness. Don't spread virus, spread awareness, and don't spread fear, don't spread false news. So just by following all these precautions, you will prevent third wave. So this is for all the citizens, because everybody has a part to play. So you play well, you wear mask, vaccinate, isolate, you will definitely be a success, and you'll definitely help all of us prevent the third wave. Thank you.